Put nail polish on your cell phone screen, and you'll be surprised by the result. A mobile phone repairman taught me this trick, and today I'm going to share it with you. But before I reveal it to you, what's the point of putting nail polish on your cell phone screen? I'll show you several other uses that can come in handy if you're tired of searching for the right door key, because they all seem almost identical. Want to help people with weak memories? I have the solution. Just paint the top of the key with a different nail polish color. This way, you can differentiate the keys, and you won't be confused anymore. Now, if your eyeglasses are loose at the hinge, I'll tell you right away, you don't need to throw them away because I have the solution. This situation occurs when the screw of the glasses loosens, but with the trick I'm going to teach you, you won't see it again. First, tighten the screw as much as possible. Then, apply transparent nail polish to it. It will tighten, and it will never loosen again. If a button on your shirt comes off, you can fix it with this trick, and the button will stop coming off. Just repair the button normally using a needle and thread. Once fully repaired, use transparent nail polish and cover the repaired button. This way, it will be firmer, and it will never fall off your clothes over time. Your TV remote will undergo normal wear and tear on the buttons, and the color of the letters and numbers on your remote will start to fade. To prevent this, you only need to paint the surface of your remote with transparent nail polish. This way, the letters and numbers will be covered, and the heat from hands and sweat won't affect them. Now that you've discovered several other important uses of nail polish, I'll reveal our main trick in today's video. Many times, our cell phone fell, and in the worst cases, everything cracked, but it still works normally. But if you do nothing with the cracks, they will continue to grow over the days. To easily prevent this, just put nail polish on the affected area. This way, the cracking will not spread, and your cell phone will have a much longer lifespan. In addition to protecting your screen, if your cell phone falls to the ground again. Finally, can you mention the most useful tip for you? Stay with God, everyone, and see you soon in the next video.